Good afternoon, everyone. Today our chapter differentiation to continuation class. ఈరోజు ఇంప్లిసిటీ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ గురించి మనము నేర్చుకోబోతున్నాం. ఇంప్లిసిటీ డిఫరెన్షియేషను నెక్స్ట్ మెథడ్ differentiation of one function with respect to another function and differentiation of infinite series. These three methods today I am discussing. First is the implicity differentiation. In most of your problems, y was given implicity as a function of the variable x. For example, y equal 2x plus 3, y equal under root of x square minus 3, etc. For each of the function and variable y appears along on the left hand side. The variable x and y are given implicity in the equation x square plus y square equal r square. Here x and y are not given separately. We say that x and y are given implicity if neither one is expressed as an implicit function of the other. Consider x square plus y square equal r square. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get x square derivative is the 2x, y square derivative is the 2y into dy by dx equal r square is the 0. Therefore, y into dy by dx equal minus x. That implies dy by dx equal minus x by y. Minus x by y. Here, for example, if x power y equal e power x minus y, prove that dy by dx equal log x by 1 plus log x whole square. 1 plus log x whole square. Given taking log on both sides, we get log of x power y equal log of e power x minus y. This implies y into log x, that equal x minus y into log e. Here RHS log e is the 1. Now y plus y log x equal to x, y into 1 plus log x equal to x. Therefore y equal x by 1 plus log x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get dy by dx equal dy by dx of x by 1 plus log x. Here ratio, derivative of ratio u by v. The formula is derivative of u by v equal v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v by v square. Here u is the x and v is the 1 plus log x. Now substitute as per formula. Now here v into derivative, v is the 1 plus log x into derivative of x minus x into derivative of 1 plus log x by 1 plus log x whole square. So 1 plus log x into derivative of x is the 1 minus x into derivative of 1 plus log x. Derivative of 1 is the 0, log x derivative is 1 by x, 0 plus 1 by x. Next 1 plus log x minus 1 by 1 plus log x whole square. 1 cancel, log x by 1 plus log x whole square. Next one question is the find dy by dx if ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal 0. Okay, This question is the derivative on both sides with respect to x. X square derivative 2x. X square derivative 2x. 2ax plus 2h common is the xy is the uv formula. Applying uv formula, x d in derivative of y plus y into derivative of x plus b into y square derivative is the 2y into dy by dx. Now 2g common, x is the 1, 2g plus 2f, y derivative is the dy by dx. Here common the dy by dx, all functions from common value dy by dx. After that the solution is minus ax plus hy plus g by hx plus by plus f. Another question, find dy by dx. Differentiating both side with respect to x, we get here this problem is also same. We get answer dy by dx equal x minus ay by ax minus y. Ax minus y. This one question also same. These two questions are here. One question and second question. One of the question is the derivative on both sides with respect to x. Now simplify, we get answer. The final value is dy by dx equal minus ax plus hy by hx plus by. Second question is the x cube plus y cube equal 9xy. Here derivating both sides with respect to x, RHS value is 9 into xy. Here xy is the uv formula. Applying uv formula, LHS is the x cube derivative is the 3x square plus y cube derivative is the 3y square into dy by dx. This equal to 9 into x into d by dx plus y into d by dx of x. Okay, now x square plus y square dy by dx equal 3x into dy by dx plus 3y into 1. This implies dy by dx equal to 3y minus x square by y square minus 3x. Next, differentiating on both sides. Differentiation of one function with respect to another function. One function, another function. Now it is a possible to differentiating one function f of x with respect to another function g of x. Okay, let y equal to f of x and z equal g of x. Then y equal to f of x is the derivative of dy by dx equal d by dx of f of x. F of x derivative is the f dash of x. And the second condition, the derivative value is dz by dx equal to g dash of x. Now dy by dz equal to dy by dx into dy by dz. Now dy by dz, dy by dx by dz by dx. Dy by dx equal to f dash of x by g dash of x. Therefore the derivative of f of x with respect to g of x. What is the formula? F dash of x by g dash of x. Now for example, here one of the important question, find the derivative of e power sin inverse x with respect to sin inverse x. Now here two functions are here. We must differentiate one function to another function. Here first function is the e power sin x and the second function is the sin inverse x. Let first function is always y equal to f of x and the second function is z equal g of x. Now let y equal to e power sin inverse x and z equal sin inverse x. Now The first condition here y equal to e power sin x. We differentiating on both sides with respect to x. What is the differentiation of y? dy by dx. dy by dx equal dy by dx into e power sin inverse x. What is the e power sin inverse x? The the basic formula is the derivative of e power x equal to e power x. Now here e power sin inverse x. The final derivative is e power sin inverse x. Again derivative of sin inverse x. What is the sin inverse x value? 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. The overall derivative is e power sin inverse x into 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. This is the first condition value. And the here second condition z equals sin inverse x. These conditions, the derivating on both sides with respect to x, we get d by dx of z equal to d by dx of sin inverse x. d by dx of z equal d by dx. d by dx of sin inverse 1 by under root of 1 minus. Therefore, dz by dx equal to 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. This is equation 2. Now, equation 1 by 2. What is the equation 1? Equation 1 is the dy by dx equal to e power sin inverse x into 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Equation 2 is the dz by dx equal to 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Now it is formation of dy by dx. Now dy by dx equal dy by dx by dz by dx. Here equation 1 by equation 2 e power sin inverse x by under root of 1 minus x square by 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Here 1 by under root of 1 minus x square, 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Get cancel e power sin inverse x. This solution is the e power sin inverse x. Now, second example, differentiate a power sec x with respect to tan x. Second question, differentiation tan inverse of log x with respect to log of tan inverse x. At the same time, here let y equal first function and second function z equal to tan x. Here the first condition is the derivative of first condition value is dy by dy by dz dy by dx equal sec x into tan x into log a into a power sec x. Now second condition, the derivative value is dz by dx equal secant square x. Now 1 by 2. Here dy by dx equal sin x into log a into a power sec x. This value is the final value. Second problem, the solution. First function is here tan inverse of log x. Second function is what is here log of tan inverse x. Now first function is let y equal to tan inverse log of x. Tan inverse of log x. Now z equal to log of tan inverse x. Now first condition, the derivative value is dy by dx equal tan inverse of log x. Tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. Here x is the log x at 1 by 1 plus log x whole square into derivative of log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. The overall derivative is 1 by 1 plus log x whole square into 1 by x. The second condition derivative z equal to log of tan inverse x. Z derivative dz by dx equal to log of tan log derivative 1 by tan inverse x into derivative of tan inverse x. Derivative of tan inverse x is the 1 by 1 plus x square. Here 1 by 2 we get dy by dz equal to 1 plus x square into tan inverse x by x into 1 plus log x whole square. Next another problem. Chana very important. This is a important question. We must prepare and um, next differentiate tan inverse of 3x plus x cube by 1 minus 3x square with respect to sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Let y equal tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. Let z equal sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Now let x equal here tan theta. Then y equal to tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. What is the 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta? Tan 3 theta. Function, inverse function and function is a get cancel 3 theta. Okay, y equal to 3 theta. Therefore y equal theta is the here tan inverse x. The 3 tan inverse x. Y equal 3 tan inverse x. Now derivative of uh, y function. What is the derivative of y function? dy by dx equal 3 into 1 by 1 plus x square. Next z equal sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Here x equal, put x equal tan theta, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Here 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is the sin 2 theta. Now here 2 theta, 2 into theta is the tan inverse x. Now derivative of z value dz by dx equal 2 by 1 1 plus x square. 2 by 1 plus x square. Now dy by dx is the 3 by 2. 3 by 2. What is the value? 3 by 2. Next question is the same. Now here put x equal to what is the value? Put x equal to cos theta. Put x equal to cos theta. Y equal 3 cos inverse x side. Derivative of y value dy by dx equal minus 3 by under root of 1 minus x square. Next second function is the z equal sin inverse x. Okay, the derivative of z value dz by dx equal 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Now equation 1 by 2 here dy by dz equal minus 3 value. Next method is the differentiation of infinite series. Third method, differentiation of infinite series. We want to find the derivative of function which is in the form equation 1 under root of f of x plus under root of f of x plus under root of f of x plus under root of f of x so on infinite. And the second one is the f of x whole power x, f of x power of f of x, power of f of x, power of f of x so on infinite with respect to x. Here let y equal to under root of f of x plus under root of f of x plus under root of f of x plus so on infinite. Now that equal under root of f of x plus y. Squaring on both sides we get y square equal f of x plus y. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get y square derivative 2y into dy by dx, f of x derivative f dash of x plus y derivative is the dy by dx. Here common value dy by dx, we take common dy by dx. What is the value? Dy by dx equal f dash of x by 2y minus 1. Second method is the let y equal f of x power f of x power f of x power so on infinite. Here that equal f of x power y. Taking log on both sides we get taking log on both sides, we get log y equal to y into log f of x. After that we differentiating with respect to x on both sides, we get log y derivatives 1 by y dy by dx equal to y into log f of x. Here applying UV formula, y into derivative of log of f of x plus log of f of x into dy by dx. Now here the common dy by dx is common value, dy by dx into 1 by y minus log f of x equal to y into 1 by f of x into dy by dx of f of x. The final dy by dx equal y square into f dash of x by f of x into 1 minus y log f of x. These two are problems. Here infinite series problems. These are infinite series questions. ఇవి రెండు మెథడ్స్, ఇవి రెండు మెథడ్స్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. వీటికి సంబంధించిన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ మెథడ్ సంబంధించి ఫైండ్ డివై బై డిఎక్స్ ఇఫ్ y equal under root of sin x plus under root of sin x plus under root of sin x plus so on infinite. Okay, now what can we get solution? First of all, let y equal to under root of sin x plus under root of sin x plus under root of sin x plus so on infinite, that equal to the sum of the functions here. Here y equal to under root of the first function value is common. After that second functions నుంచోని మనము వైగా మారుతా ఉంది, అంటే అండర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ సైన్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ వై అవుతుంది. స్క్వేరింగ్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్ వి గెట్ వై స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ వై ప్లస్ సైన్ ఎక్స్. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ డెరివేటింగ్ బోత్ సైడ్ వి గెట్ ఆన్సర్. వై స్క్వేర్ డెరివేటివ్ 2y into dy by dx, y derivative dy by dx plus sin derivative cos x. We common dy by dx into 2y minus 1 equal cos x. Therefore dy by dx equal cos x by 2y minus 1. Second method question, find dy by dx if y equal cos x power so on infinite. Here given y equal to cos x power so on infinite, that equal cos x power y. Now we taking logarithm on both side, we get log y equal to log of cos x power y, that equal y into log cos x. After we applying derivative on both side with respect to x, we get d by dx of log y, that equal d by dx of y into log of cos x. The LHS value is 1 by y dy by dx, that equal, here RHS is the UV formula. What is the UV formula? V into derivative of u plus u into derivative of v. Here y into log of derivative of log of cos x plus log of cos x into derivative of y. Y into log of cos x derivative 1 by cos x into cos x derivative minus sin x plus log of cos x into y derivative is the dy by dx. Therefore 1 by y minus log cos x into dy by dx equal y by cos x into minus sin x. Now dy by dx equal minus y tan x by 1 by y minus log cos x. Therefore minus y square tan x by 1 minus y log of cos x. Now another example, find dy by dx if y equal to under root of x cube plus under root of x cube plus under root of x cube plus so on infinite. ఎలా చేస్తాం ఈ ప్రాబ్లం అంటే ఫస్ట్ లెట్ y ఈక్వల్ తీసుకోండి under root of x cube plus under root of x cube plus under root of x cube plus so on infinite. it's become under root of x cube plus y. After that, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, we get y square equal x cube plus y. Applying on both sides, integrating with respect to x. Y square derivative is the 2y into dy by dx. X cube derivative 3x square plus y derivative dy by dx. Here we take common value dy by dx. Dy by dx into 2y minus 1 equal 3x square. This implies dy by dx equal 3x square by 2y minus 1. 2y minus 1. The final value is dy by dx equal 3x square by 2y minus 1. Okay, this method, three methods are very important. First method, second, third. Okay, implicity functions ఇచ్చినప్పుడు derivative of function to another function and derivative of infinite series. ఓకే, త్రీ మెథడ్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఈ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ టూలో ఖచ్చితంగా ఈ మెథడ్స్ నేర్చుకోండి, చాలా వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్ అండ్ ఆల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.